student, can you draw a triangle with only three sides? Let us make it super easy. In this video, we will learn how to construct a triangle when all three sides are given. This method is also called SSS method. Now, we construct a triangle ABC in whose side BC equal to 6.2 cm, AB equal to 5 cm, and AC equal to 4.3 cm. First of all, we draw a rough sketch of triangle ABC. Here, side AB is 5 cm, side BC equal to 6.2 cm, and side AC equal to 4.3 cm. Now we draw triangle ABC step by step. That BC equal to 6.2 cm, 6.2 cm, AB equal to 5 cm, 5 cm, and AC equal to 4.3 cm. Now we draw triangle ABC. For this, we draw any line BX. Now, we cut the measurement for BC using pencil compass, and we cut from B on the line BX, and we get the point C. Similarly, we take the measurement of AB and we cut the measurement from the point B. We get an arc. Similarly, we take measurement of AC and we draw an arc from the point C with this measurement, and it is intersect the previous arc at the point A. Now we join A with C and B. Finally, we get a triangle ABC whose three sides BC, AB and AC are given. In our next class, we discuss about and construction of triangle in the method of SSS. Subscribe to Geometry Zone for more easy geometric tricks. Thank you. Visit again.